how to make text bigger in PaintNET. So I have my background layer right here. If I want to write text, I'll create just a new layer like so. And then of course I have selected the text tool. Now, one way how you can enlarge text is simply by clicking on this drop down menu where it says 12 and choosing the font size that you want, for example 48. Now I'm going to click anywhere on the screen and I'm going to type hello subscribers, for example. Okay, but let's say I'm not happy with the size of this text. I want to make it bigger. So instead of deleting this and writing it all over again by going and changing the font size, we can't actually like highlight it, as you can see here, like so. So what we do instead is, like I said, hopefully you are on a new layer. We want to use the rectangle select tool and then highlight the text itself. And then we click on the second tool and basically we just enlarge it. So hold shift and choose one of the 4 points, this one, this one, this or this. And by holding shift, as you can see, left clicking and dragging, we make the text bigger. Now that will obviously lose some quality, but that's how you do it if you don't want to recreate it all. So yeah, that's how you play around with text size in PaintNET. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and sub if this helped you out. I'll see you next time.